guys, what's up? Today I'm here with a special kitty. And, oh god. Come here. Special kitty. Her name is Alex. Her name is Magic. Wow, she's really gone. Strong girl. Yeah, she just jumped off my lap. There, got her. Anyways, we're here with another, oh god. But so, another stuff with my kitty. Say hello. Magic, say hello. Yeah. Anyways, she has been my kitty for the past 3 months. We found her at my house for, I don't know, and she wasn't scared like the other cats. So what we thought is we could like just bring her. And she's so adorable, I'm telling you that. She's more like a meowser girl, which means that she meows a lot. We should just name her Meowser. Meowserza. Anyways, so since today I'm here with my kitty, I have another one. His name is Alex, and it's a ginger cat. If you don't know what a ginger cat is, it's actually a cat that is orange and yellow, and it's really calm. I mean, like, mine is really calm, doesn't do anything bad. I also have one dog, Kitten. It's a Spanish name. Yeah, Tina's nickname is Tina, just to make it more Englishitive, and yeah. She likes being up the camera for some reason. She's just purring on the side. Look at that big fur. Come on. And she wanders around by herself with Alex, which is her brother, I guess. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the ears.